Each year our foundation course runs from January until September. Our 4th, 5th, and 6th year students usually come around the 15th of the month, and our 3rd year, 2nd year, and 1st year students usually come around the 25th. And each year we cover just basic repotting, the why behind it, how much do you actually remove from those roots. Of course, each month is very seasonal specific on the care that we do, whether it's grafting, repotting, wiring, styling, breaking candles, decandling, working on deciduous trees. The care and maintenance behind each one of those species is what we cover. In 2024, we put on a beautiful educational exhibit with the help from our students. This exhibit was a wonderful, wonderful, and well put together display of the trees here in the garden. And the wonderful thing about that was most of them, almost all of them, had been styled. Most of them had been styled and had only been in the garden for less than 5 years. And so it really was a wonderful, wonderful turnout. As I've said in a previous video, part of the graduation process from our course is putting on a complete display. 60% of the things that happen here in the garden are done by my beautiful wife Kelly. And that's no joke. She does all the decorations. She helps set everything up. Today I'm going to be doing the repotting tent over there and cutting out everything. I'll show some pictures of that in a little bit. She's going to be cleaning this up. And what we're doing is she's going to be cleaning up the yurt. What we're doing is we're getting ready for the 1st year students, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th year students. That'll be coming in about 8 days. Today is the 2nd of January 2025. Stay tuned. Besides the maintenance on the trees that we have every single month, there's also maintenance in the garden. And so as you saw in the earlier portion of this video, we're going to clean up and both the potting tent and my yurt where the students do their first portion. The first hour of their class starts in the yurt. And then we move over, usually into the repotting tent. And then that's where we can make everything just a mess. And so it's a lot easier to clean up than if we do that in the yurt. These are just a few of the pictures of our educational exhibit. To see the whole exhibit, just go look at our educational exhibit in reverse here on YouTube. After the exhibit, we took the opportunity to run up after the first snow and collect a few Sierra junipers. Before we move all of the cinder blocks out, all the chairs, all the tables, all the furniture, the first thing we need to do is take down all of the shade over the tops of the trees. So that's actually the next thing that we'll do before we'll start on the tent and the yurt. I would love to say that all I do is sit around and style trees, but 90% of the time is maintenance. Whether it's watering or removing wire, which is what I'm going to do on this tree also today. I'm going to do a few trees today, but that's what you're going to be seeing is maintenance, and maintenance requires putting on wire, taking it off, putting on wire, and taking it off. All right, looking forward to your comments. So as you can see, last night I pulled all this out of here from the previous pictures. And so this hasn't been done in about 2-3 years. We're gonna pull all this out of here and put in new tarps and get it ready for the students. All right, well, as you can see, we got the other half done. And then all this will be moved back in a little bit. We have about 4 days for all the students to start coming back again. Well, thanks to my beautiful wife, Kelly, this is all set back up for the students who show up in 2 days for our 4th, 5th, and 6th year students. Our 1st, 2nd, and 3rd year students will show up at around the 25th. But it's all set up. I added a new color on the floor over here for taking photos for during our videos. Anyway, it's looking beautiful before we mess it all up again. Hello again, it's Ron Anderson with Dirty Locust Garden Center. You know, I believe that most of the people on YouTube are trying to either entertain or help someone. And so I think we fall into the category of helping someone. And so as you watch our videos, hope it helps you on your journey and maybe even does a shortcut. So if you like what you see, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. This is going to be our introduction video for almost all our videos. All right, take care.